At 6, a judge allows the man responsible for a triple fatal car crash to vacation in Florida.
Why don't you just slap us in the face?
We're hearing from the victim's family, left wondering, is this justice?
Plus, one of the teenagers who opened fire at a backyard concert, killing a person in Minneapolis, learns his fate.
The loss is a shadow, one I will continue to move alongside for the rest of my life.
We're in the courtroom hearing from those impacted by the tragic decision.
And new details in the arrest of a now former state senator.
I don't give a crap what occupation you have. If you come here and mess with kids, you're going to jail.
The sting operation that brought him down, and why Justin Eichhorn is facing federal charges.
A local firefighter pitching in to help first responders in Ukraine. A look at the efforts to get gear overseas and how you can help. Those stories and more right now on 5 Eyewitness News. Good evening, everyone. I'm Kevin Dorn.
And I'm Lindsey Brown. Last summer, 3 families lost loved ones in a head-on crash in Cass County. Now, a recent court decision isn't sitting well with the family of one of the victims.
Yeah, the other driver, who pleaded guilty to being intoxicated behind the wheel, was allowed this week to leave Minnesota and go on vacation in Florida. Eric Shalou has a story you are seeing first on 5.
Corey Peterson works side by side sometimes with his dad doing handyman work.
He was a very hardworking kid. He just, he'd do anything. He had a lot of talents.
Steve Peterson's world changed last May. That's when Corey and 2 other people were killed in a head-on crash with a pickup truck in Pine River.
They just happened to be in the wrong spot at the wrong time.
Court records show the truck driver, 33-year-old Kyle Jones of Bayport, pled guilty to 3 counts of criminal vehicular homicide and is out on bail.
When they said that he got to go on vacation, it was like, that's just, why don't you just slap us in the face?
Peterson learned the court granted Jones' request to travel this week to Panama City Beach, Florida with his family.
It was a surprise to you guys, right?
Yeah. Big time, yeah.
In this letter filed with the court, Jones' lawyer asked the judge to allow the Florida trip because his current bail conditions restricted travel. Jones' lawyer wrote they'd provide the judge and prosecutor the names of everyone traveling with them and the Florida address. The court approved the trip. Cass County Attorney Ben Lindstrom told 5 Eyewitness News he had no legal basis to object. Lindstrom went on to say, quote, "Nothing that happens in this case can fix the damage caused. Unfortunately, the prosecution processes up to the sentencing are very focused on the defendant and protecting his rights. Victims have every right to be frustrated with that process." That's exactly how Corey's dad feels.
We get the fact that when you're innocent until proven guilty, but now that he said he was guilty, okay, well, fine, go on vacation. You know, it's just terrible.
I reached out to St. Thomas Law professor Rachel Moran, who reviewed the case and agreed that the prosecutor didn't have a basis to object to the travel request. She also mentioned judges are quite limited on the restrictions they can place on someone who is out on bail. Jones's sentencing is set for next month in Cass County. Corey's family said they'll be there for that moment. Live